All right, in this video, we are going to create our first web page. Right now, I have Google Chrome open and brackets open. And as you can see, it's a little bit cluttered on my screen. So what I could do is manually resize the windows like this, for example. Takes a little bit of time and it's a little irritating because you can still see this toolbar here. On a Mac, something very, very nice that I like to do is simply hold down this full screen arrow and the one side of the screen will highlight blue. So just let go and it fills that up. Then the other window will appear over here. Click on that and you now have a beautiful full screen mode. And when you need access to the top menu, you just bring the mouse up. So very convenient. Okay, so let's get started. I am in brackets right now and I'm just going to type something very simple. I will type my first web page. It doesn't look like much, but believe it or not, this can actually be created as a web page. So I'm going to save it. One way I could save this is by going up to the menu, clicking File, clicking Save, but that actually takes a lot of time, so I'll teach you a very easy keyboard shortcut. On a Mac, you press Command S. On a Windows, you press Control S, and this will save your file for you. So I press Command S. I'm going to save it in desktop and I'm going to call it index.html. This is the standard for your home page in a website to name it index.html. It's not required that you name it index. You could call it plenty of things. Just make sure it starts with a letter. I highly, highly, highly recommend keeping it lowercase because a lot of times file names are case sensitive once you actually put them onto the internet, but that's beyond us right now. Just name it index.html. It is important that you have the .html file extension because this is what is going to tell your computer which application to use to open it. So I'll save it as index.html and that was saved to my desktop. Now over in Google Chrome, I want to open that file. So again, one way to do it could be going to File, Open File. But as you can see, there's a keyboard shortcut right here, Command O. So I'll just press Command O. And I'm going to go to Desktop and open index.html. As you can see, it has opened my first web page. Now this is just plain text. It's not using any HTML tags. We're going to learn about HTML tags later so that we can mark up our text for our website.